Hi, I'm Jim Pinkham at MarineMax Lake Norman at 704-997-2168. We have a 2020 Harris 230 Grand Mariner to show you today. This 2020 Harris 230 Grand Mariner is powered with a Mercury 225 4-stroke. Has the nice large 4-step stainless steel boarding ladder with the safety rail and chain. This is in the SL floor package. Has the rear entry gate, the Delta Tower with the Bimini top, black acrylic table upgrade. On the dash, you'll see it's got the Simrad chart plotter GPS, digital throttle and shift, and a JL audio system. Up in the bow, plenty of seating with nice upholstery. This 230 Grand Mariner is in the white diamond with the platinum blue accent. Come by and take a look while it's still here and take advantage of some discounts. Come by MarineMax Lake Norman. I'm Jim Pinkham at 704-997-2168. Look forward to seeing you.